Are you currently facing the challenges of gambling addiction? If you're feeling overwhelmed and unsure of where to turn, I urge you to watch this powerful video. It features the remarkable journey of a woman named Samantha. She fought valiantly against the grips of this destructive addiction. Throughout her story, she shares her struggles, the turning points that made her to seek help, and the strategies she used to reclaim her life. Samantha's experience serves as a beacon of hope for anyone dealing with similar issues. Remember, you are not alone in this battle, and there are paths to recovery and a healthier, happy future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting and amazing stories. A soft melody plays as we see Samantha, a 35-year-old single mother, preparing breakfast for her daughter, Emily, who is just 12 years old. Samantha looks loving and attentive, but behind her tired eyes is a deep secret: she's drowning in gambling addiction. Samantha works a steady job, but every extra dollar goes into online gambling. She started with small bets but eventually began using her savings. She convinces herself by saying, "Just one more win, and I'll stop." We see flashbacks of Samantha in front of her phone at night, eyes glued to a gambling app, her heart racing with each spin. It started as a harmless escape, a way to feel excitement. But soon, the wins became rare, and she was chasing losses. She starts to ignore Emily's call while gambling in the bathroom, whispering, "Just a minute, sweetie." She borrows money from friends and family, making excuses like rent being due or needing groceries. One evening, she gets a payday loan at high interest, promising herself it's the last time. Samantha comes home one day to find an eviction notice on her door. Emily picks it up and, with teary eyes, asks, "Mom, are we going to be homeless?" Samantha freezes. Reality crashes down. Her gambling has put her and her daughter at risk. That night, while Emily sleeps, Samantha looks at herself in the mirror, tired, ashamed, and afraid. She breaks down crying, realizing she has become everything she promised she wouldn't be. The road to recovery. The next morning, Samantha reaches out for help. She calls a Gamblers Anonymous helpline and speaks to a counselor. She joined a support group, listening to others who have gone through the same struggle. A therapist explains the psychology behind gambling addiction, and Samantha begins to understand her triggers: loneliness, stress, and the illusion of control. She blocks every gambling website she has been using and hands control of her finances to a trusted friend to prevent relapse. Samantha gets a part-time job on weekends, focusing on earning back stability. This marks a new beginning for Samantha. A montage shows her spending real quality time with Emily, cooking together, laughing, and doing homework. One day, she checks her bank balance and smiles. It's small, but for the first time in years, there's no negative balance. Samantha stands in front of her support group and shares her story. Emily hugs her and says, "I'm proud of you, Mom." Samantha tears up and whispers, "Me too." Here are a few things that might help you if you are struggling from gambling addiction. Number 1. Self-exclusion. Many gambling platforms offer self-exclusion programs that can block access to gambling sites or venues. Number 2. Accountability partner. Find a trusted friend, family member, or support group who can help you stay accountable. Number 3. Financial controls. If possible, give someone you trust control over your finances or set up automatic transfers to savings to limit access to gambling funds. Number 4. Professional support. A therapist or a support group like Gamblers Anonymous can provide guidance and a community of people who understand your struggle. Number 5. Identify triggers. What situations or emotions make you want to gamble? Finding healthier ways to cope can help break the cycle. Number 6. Replace the habit. Try engaging in new hobbies or activities that provide excitement without financial risk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting and amazing stories.